In order to prosper, they had to listen to the subtle callings from and changes in nature. Earth, with her cycles, like the moon cycles of a woman, grows, then sheds, then grows anew. We are one cycle. It's time we listen to the earth and honor her cycles again. Also, it's long past the time to come together and listen. Really listen to our neighbors. The solutions to our social problems seems overly simple to me. Help each other. Share your gifts. Extend your hand in peace and unity. On this grand day of unification and community, let us not forget our charge. Take care of the earth and take care of each other. Be the human you would like your neighbors to be. Come together in unity. Keep fighting peacefully for justice and the social harmony we all want. At this time, I just want to say, each and every one of you, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out here today. It's important that you show up, to come, unify, send a positive message, not a negative message. Come together, be kind to one another. It's so important. Give yourselves a round of applause for being here today, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you very much on behalf of the Wabanaki people. Thank you very much.